Importance of maintenance and cleanliness of workshop. Hello, my name is Charumati. I hope you are all excited for today's session. In this module, we are going to learn the importance of maintenance and cleanliness of the workshop. At the end of this exercise, you will be able to obey safety instructions and use personal protective equipment (PPE), maintain tools, instruments and equipment. Now, let us take a look at the equipment, materials and tools required to do this exercise.
Tools or instruments required. Trainees Toolkit 1 set. Equipment required. List of workshop equipment. Waste bins. Materials needed. Lube oil. Detergents. Cotton waste. The first and foremost in workshop maintenance is to know the safety instructions that are to be followed and the importance of wearing necessary personal protective equipment. Task 1: Safety instructions and personal protective equipment. Some cleaning agents are toxic. Refer to the information about handling, use, and storage of chemicals that may be hazardous. Follow any recommendations made by the supplier before using it. Do not use flammable cleaners or water on electrical equipment. Make sure designated walkways are kept clear of any obstructions. Always wear protective clothing and the appropriate safety equipment. Make sure that you understand and observe all legislative and personal safety procedures you are carrying out the following tasks. If you are unsure of what these procedures are, ask your instructor. Task 2: Maintenance of tools and equipment. Clean tools and equipment work more efficiently. At the end of each working day, clean the tools and equipment you used and check them for any damage. If you note any damage, tag the tool as faulty. Electrical current can travel over oily or greasy surfaces. Keep electrical power tools free from dust and dirt and make sure they are free of oil and grease. All workshop equipment should have a maintenance schedule. Always complete the tasks described on the schedule at the required time. This will help to keep the equipment in safe working order. Store commonly used tools in an easy-to-reach location. If a tool or piece of equipment is too difficult to be returned, it could be left on a workbench or on the floor where it will become a safety hazard. Keep your work area tidy. This will help you work more efficiently and safely. Have a waste bin close to your work area and place any waste in it as soon as possible. Dispose of liquid and solid waste, such as oils, coolant, and worn components, correctly. Do not pour solvents or other chemicals into the sewage system. This is both environmentally damaging and illegal. Always use chemical gloves when using any cleaning material because excessive exposure to cleaning materials can damage the skin. Some solvents are flammable. Never use cleaning materials near an open flame or cigarette. The fumes from cleaning chemicals can be toxic, so wear an appropriate respirator and eye protection wherever you are using these products. Now that you have understood the basic maintenance of tools, let us learn how to clean them. Task 3: Cleaning hand tools, jack, power tool, and machinery. Clean hand tools. Keep your hand tools in good, clean condition with 2 sets of cabinets. One cabinet should be lint-free to handle precision instruments or components. The other should be oily to prevent rust and corrosion. Clean floor jacks. Wipe off any oil or grease on the floor jack and check for fluid leaks. If you find any, top up the hydraulic fluid. Occasionally, apply a few drops of lubricating oil to the wheels and a few drops to the posts of the safety stands. Clean electrical power tools. Keep power tools clean by brushing off any dust and wiping off excess oil or grease with a clean rag. Inspect any electrical cables for dirt, oil or grease, and any chafing or exposed wires. With drills, inspect the chuck and lubricate it occasionally with machine oil. Clean air power tools. Apply a few drops of oil into the inlet of your air tools every day. Although these tools have no motor, they do need regular lubrication of the internal parts to prevent wear. Clean hoists and heavy machinery. Locate and checklist or maintenance record for each hoist or other major piece of equipment before carrying out cleaning activities. Note: clean operating mechanisms and attachments of excess oil or grease.
We have come to the end of the exercise. Let us have a recap on what we have learned in this module. We have learned to obey safety instructions and use personal protective equipment (PPE). Maintain tools, instruments and equipment. Thus, we have learned the importance of maintenance and cleanliness of the workshop. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.